and welcome to English Through Experience. I'm ETETutor and this is an Analysing Allsorts video. So these are the ones where we look at all manner of real life things and try to work out what the writer was thinking, why they chose the words they did, what the devices are and how they work. So I don't know if you caught one of my earlier videos where I looked at this birthday card that was kindly given to me by my friend Squire. So have a quick look if you didn't see the video. Can you identify any of the devices there? Have a think. I'll pop the link in the description box below for you. And then this time we've got a present from my dear friend Squire. So here it is. I dig gardening. And just for a little bit of evidence, because you know you like to know a YouTuber is telling you the truth, I've been out and brought in one of my potted plants. So, I dig gardening. Very simple, we've just got the 3 words there. This could easily be the headline of an article about gardening, couldn't it? Because we have got wordplay. And the wordplay really comes from the double meaning of this word here, dig. So, to dig something in a metaphorical sense, so not a literal sense, is to love it, to enjoy it, to feel enthusiastic about it. So this time the thing that we're loving, feeling enthusiastic about is gardening. So we come to the second meaning of the word dig, to literally dig. Should have got a spade, shouldn't I? We need to actually dig when we are gardening. So we've got the meaning, I love gardening, but we've got the humour coming from the word dig. So Squire is very good at buying these comical cards and gifts that relate to English language. So hopefully that's helped you out a little bit. If you saw something like that when you were analysing a text, you'd need to refer to the double meaning. You could describe it as a pun, and you would definitely say that it's used to add humour to a piece. And because it's a colloquial everyday way of speaking, it also helps the reader to relate to the writer. All right then, best of luck. Thanks again, Squire.